Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Spider-Man as in kind of like undead guy. So it's going to be like Spider-Man and half skull. Really cool design. It's pretty easy as well, I think, if it's just the skull, the head. And that's it. So it's going to be step-by-step for beginner. Stay to the end. I'm going to do this thing that wraps it up at the very end. It's only about an 8-minute video or so. So let's jump into it, okay? Before I do that, hit the subscribe and bell notification if you like learning how to draw in general, if you like learning how to draw in a very short increment of time. So absolutely do that. So let's get started, okay? What I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with his eye, actually, this one. His curve up here. I'm going to pull down here. It's going to scoop in. Go over here, and he's going to be torn, so you're going to be able to see a skull underneath. So right here we're going to draw like a cloth, and it's going to be hitting kind of the edge of the head over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to draw a skull shape on top, because that's going to be what's going to be the same. So I'm going to go over here and draw the side of the temple, curve, and pull down, and pull it down toward here. So a lot of it is going to be his mask is ripped. So right here, a line over here, a line over here, down. Line over here. And so this is going to be exposed over here. This is going to be more of the skull. So right now on this side, we're going to draw a, basically, what do you call it? The eye socket. So straight, curve, down, curve in. And we're going to curve up a bit. Might even actually extend that just a bit here. And at that point, that eye socket, I'm going to fill that in with this dark marker. If you have a pencil, fill it in with that. Right on. I'm gonna go out here, out, in, up, for kind of the rest of the skull. I'm gonna pull a line down here for the outside of the eye socket right there. On this side is gonna be a skull. Down here, cheekbone. Line over here. And over here, I'm gonna throw cloth over here. Pull down. Down over here. Angle for the side of the jaw of like a skull. Then pulling out over here in the middle. Could go over here on this side, up, in over here, up over there, and I'm gonna fill in the nose here. Line, line. Go over here, I'm going to find the teeth over here. So there's going to be the teeth across. So I'm going to go right here, line across. Going to pull the lines up individually, right, for the individual teeth. Line over here, curve, 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 curve. Over here as well, just drawing in those teeth. Right on. Line over here out, up. And it kind of merges into the mask, what's left over on the mask here. So a lot of the mask here is like going to be kind of torn off, so I'm going to pull a line over here. And I'm going to pull like a line in here like there's a hole in it as well. And you could draw same thing, a line like a circle right there like there's a hole in the mask on this side. On this side as well. Over here on this side as well. Straight line underneath for kind of the bottom of the tooth cylinder. So let's start finding the design on this mask. Don't forget to hit the like if you like the subject matter. I can draw maybe more undead characters if you want. You can draw a circle here at the center. Not always a circle, but circle. And we're going to have radiating lines that go outward. Normally they go out all the way, but we're only going to go through the cloth. So I'm going to pull a line out like so. Kind of like you're drawing like lines on the sun here. Forgot this is cloth as well, so this is going to go over here and that cloth. Line to line. Line over here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the curving in, right? The curving in of each, ding, 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 right? On the spider's web on the mask, right? At least what's available of it. We're going to go over here, curve up, curve up, curve up, curve up, curve up over here. Pulling in like there. Same thing over here. There's going to be some, you're going to have to kind of decide what side of it do you think that it belongs on. And then you can draw little thin lines right here. Thin lines are for detail. Thin lines over here. Yeah, thin lines are for so you can draw like it kind of seeping into the skull right here, right? Like how it kind of seeps in. Right on. Line over here. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much. I hope you appreciate it. It's just fun to do this. If you have any other requests, maybe I can draw like other undead characters, maybe like from Marvel Zombies or something. But yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I do this for you guys, and you guys are amazing. Thank you so much, and I appreciate it. If you want to help the channel out, the best thing you can do is to share the video. When you share the video, really helps out the channel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description. There's a free program on drawing. If you want to learn drawing, go check that out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.